Hi guys! Salamat sa pagbisita sa among channel. So as you have seen in our video, we used our Midea 2-cup coffee maker. But before anything else, we would like to thank Ate Odette and Kuya Arn for giving us this wonderful wedding gift. So thank you Ate and Kuya. So as you can see, this machine has a sleek and very simple design. Of course, it includes 2 cups, which is why it's perfect for couples out there who are both coffee lovers. The cups are solid, elegant looking, pero at the same time, gaan ra pod siya dalon. Dili kayo dako, dili kayo gamay, just enough for you to enjoy your coffee. So na siya one press control that turns blue when your coffee is brewing and automatically mo turn off when your coffee is ready. It has a super fine mesh filter that has minimum and maximum lines, which can be found inside the water tank as well. So it's super easy to clean and very simple to use. Hassle-free ang inyong pagpangapi. This machine is quite small. As you can see, that's my hand right there for your reference. Medyo bugat lang ni siya nga machine. So if mag-alsa ka ni, make sure you hold it tilted away from you para di mahug ang mga cups, or better yet, dala siya nga wala ang mga cups and then bring the cups later. So that's it. That's our short review of Midea's simple and easy to use 2-cup coffee maker. Now let's look at the low-carb coconut bread that we ate this morning. So kani nga yummy and healthy bread is baked by Ate Shelo. Its main ingredients are coconut flour, coconut oil, eggs, and all other low-carb friendly ingredients na makita ninyo sa YouTube ni Ate Max Shelo. So nindot di siyang alternative for highly processed bread and perfect for those who want to start a low carb diet. Plus it's also good for those who are diabetic. This is your perfect guilt-free snack for coffee time and can even be a complete meal alternative. Pwede nimo kaunon plain, pwede mo nimo sandwich with your favorite meat and veggies. So, pwede naman siya i-store sa fridge. It will last for 5 to 7 days. And if i-store nimo sa freezer, it will last up to 2 to 3 months. If you want one, you may order from Ate Max Shelo through Messenger. We also have other low-carb breads such as almond bread. Prices mag-range from 280 to 350 pesos. So, if you want to start your low-carb journey, order lang mo ni Ate and enjoy! Go.